Thank you to the HyperX YouTube channel for sending us here this year. That's youtube.com/KingstonHyperX. Also thank you to lynda.com and Phantom Glass. If you haven't heard of Klevv before, don't feel too bad. They just founded the company in 2014 and only had their first consumer launch in January of 2015 down at PAX South. But don't expect them to stay small for long. They're kind of a big deal. Why are they a big deal? Well, in the DRAM IC space, there's three big main manufacturing players. There's Micron, who also sell their products through Crucial. There's Samsung, who sells their products through Samsung. And then there's SK Hynix, which up till now didn't really do much in that space. Klevv is SK Hynix's version of Crucial to Micron. There will definitely be some difficulty along their path. Distribution is an issue for everyone, but it shouldn't take them too long. With access to Hynix MFR ICs, they should make a big splash soon enough. First in their lineup is their Kraz DDR4. This will range in speeds of 2133 all the way up to 3200 MHz, starting at 1.2 volts and ranging all the way up to 1.35 volts, in kits of up to 32 GB. Next up is both the Genuine and Urban DDR3 modules. Both of these will range from 1600 MHz to 3200 MHz and from a voltage of 1.5 volts to 1.65 volts in kit sizes of 32 GB. The differences between these two is that the Urban comes without LEDs and the Genuine comes with LEDs in the top. And last, and in this case least, in both performance and price, is the Neo, ranging in speeds of 1600 MHz to 2400 MHz, voltages of 1.5 volts to 1.65 volts, and a kit size of 32 GB. Brandon and I definitely had to agree, these are some of the most attractive looking modules I've ever seen in terms of memory. Very sleek, industrial, and modern looking. Thank you to everybody over at HyperX for sending us here this year. Check out their YouTube channel, youtube.com/KingstonHyperX for some really cool gaming content, and also some stuff from us. They're a pretty cool site, so be sure to subscribe so they keep on releasing new content. Also, thank you to store.phantomglass.com, where you can pick up the best damn screen protectors out there, and lynda.com/PAX, where you can learn a ton of cool stuff like programming or Premiere editing or basically whatever you want. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments down below or over on the forum what you think of Klevv. They're a new player in the memory market. This hasn't happened for a while. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay subscribed to Linus Tech Tips to see all of our PAX East 2015 content.